everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing a demo and review and testing out this new Essie kind of treating nail polish. I'm going to be trying out for a whole week and showing you the results and how it worked out for me and everything. So this is the Essie Treat Love and Color Strengthener. It is a new product from Essie. It says it has been developed with over 5 years of research, so it sounds like that they have a lot of money and time put into this product. So the claims are stronger nails in just 1 week, 60% less peeling, and 35% less breakage. So I bought this because my nails do peel and they break as well, and I've been looking for something that will help my nails. I know that a lot of these things are gimmicks, but I just wanted to try it out. And this one is different as well because it is colored. So it's not just a clear product that you use as like a base coat or something. It is a colored nail polish that you wear by itself. And this one's in the shade 89, Keen on Sheen. So it's like a rose gold color. So this costs $7.98 or something like that in Canada, and it's just their normal bottles, but it has a little bit of a thicker brush. So on the back of the packaging it says, our first advanced one-step strength and color formula. Treat Love and Color Strengthener for normal to dry brittle nails, specially formulated to actively care for and help reinforce the nail key benefits. No base or top coat needed, stronger nails in just 1 week, less peeling, less breakage. Contains optically brightening pigments to instantly perfect, adding color and glow to nails. Breathable care formula infused with collagen and camellia extract. So I'm going to test it out for 1 week because it says stronger nails in just 1 week, and I want to see if that's actually true, if I see any differences or anything. Because this is my nails after about 1 week of wearing nail polish, or about 4 days. So I have some peeling right here on my thumb, as well as a little bit on this corner of my finger and a little bit right here. So usually my nail polish chips within 3 days of wear, either due to my top coat, and I don't use a base coat. So I just took off my last week's polish, and I'm going to be trying this on. I think I'm going to do one hand without a top coat and one hand with, to see if there's any differences there. And I'll be checking in throughout the week to show you how it's wearing and everything like that. Then I'll be coming back at the end of the week and show you my final results and how I think it worked and it actually strengthened my nails or not. So on the package it says usage. Apply 2 coats of Treat Love and Color to a clean nail and allow to dry. Remove and repeat weekly for optimal results. So I'll be doing this for 1 week. Now we can apply it to the nail and I can show you how it went on. There is 1 coat. Been 5 minutes and this nail is already dry. The other ones are still drying. I'm gonna go ahead and apply another coat. So that is 2 coats of the Treat Love and Color Keen on Sheen shade, and I will not be putting a top coat on this hand, but on this hand I'll be putting on a top coat just to see the differences. So this will be day 1, and I'll be either checking in at the end of day 1 or throughout the week when I start to see any changes or anything like that. So here's my current state, and I just made sure to wrap the tip of my nails just to give it as much hope or whatever, better chance of surviving the week as I could. So if it does survive a whole week without any chipping, I will be quite amazed, because every nail polish I ever had chipped at least 5 days. Like usually it chips on day 4, peels off, anything like that. I'm not used to any nails staying on longer than 5 days, so it would be crazy if this stays on for 7. This is the day 2 check-in. So as you can see here, there is a little bit of tip wear, and on my thumb there is some tip wear as well. But really not much change since yesterday putting it on. And since it's not a very thick polish, I don't think it will be coming off in like huge chunks, but you never know. And this is on my other hand. This is the hand that I top coated. And as you can see right here, there is a chip missing, as well as on this finger. So there's definitely more wear on these fingernails, given it is on my right hand, so it is like prone to getting more chipped. But it had a top coat on it, so maybe that's what caused the chipping, because it's not compatible. I don't know for sure, but we'll see in the next day. So here's my late night check-in date for day 3 of wear. As you can see, there's more tip wear on my nails. I also have a bigger piece of nail polish missing from my thumb. So it doesn't look as bad as my other hand, just to give you a warning. So this hand is actually pretty bad. I was doing dishes and my nail polish just started to like pretty much fall off, and so it chipped off really badly right here. As you can see, it just peeled right off, and this is the hand with the top coat, so it's a little bit surprising that it came off. Maybe it's not compatible with top coat, I don't know, but this nail's intact. This one has definitely had some damage to it. As you can see, the whole nail polish is gone, although the nail is not any worse. Same with this middle nail, and this pointer nail as well has some tip wear, and then along with the thumb it has some tip wear again. So I believe today is day 7, but it could be day 6. I think today's day 7. Anyways, it's the end of the week, and this is what my nails are looking like. These are the nails without the top coat, and as you can see, it's been really hard on my nails. All the tips are showing, and the nail polish is just peeling off, but it's not as bad as my other hand, but it's still not great. And my nail hasn't been peeling, but there's been like corners here where they've been kind of chipped, or as you can see right here, this is very crooked because this part kind of got caught on something and had to cut it off. But I'm not very impressed with it, with the things that it claimed, but I guess maybe I'm a special case because it's more extreme with my nails. But I think I'll try for one more week because this video doesn't need to be done till next week. So I think I'll do it for one more week, and if there'll be any more differences or changes, I'll update you guys throughout that as well, so we can get the full 2 weeks and not just the 1 week statistics and the experience I've had. So this is the hand with the top coat, and as you can see, there's a lot more peeling of the nail polish and chipping of the nails, so it's just worse overall, and I didn't expect that, but I guess maybe they're not compatible and this nail polish doesn't need a top coat, so with the top coat it kind of repels it and then it just comes off the nail. So I'm going to apply the Treat Love and Color nail polish on my left hand once again, and I may do 2 or 3 coats, and on my right hand I'll be applying Essie Penny Talk. This is a really nice chrome nail polish, so I wanted to wear Penny Talk with Keen On Sheen because I just want to see the comparisons between the normal Essie formula and also the Treat Love and Color formula. But see if there's any differences, see how long they both wear, compare them a little bit. I think this one has a little bit of a thinner formula than this one. But if there's no differences in wear quality or anything like that, then I will change my opinion on this one a little bit more. But if this one wears longer than this one, then I'll just show you the formula or whatever of the Treat Love and Color. So that's just my thought process on why I'm going to do a normal Essie nail polish with the Treat Love and Color alongside it. And I'll be top coating the Penny Talk as well, just to give it a fair chance, because I always top coat my normal nail polishes anyway. But I'm not going to be using any base coat, so I've reshaped my nails and also smoothed them out a bit so then the ridges are smooth and give them the best chance to get the best quality of life this week. So this is the formula of the Penny Talk. As you can see, it's way more pigmented and it's like a creamy metallic formula, and this is the size of the brush. Now let's compare it to the Treat Love and Color. So as you can see, it's a little bit more of a sheer, more shimmery formula. and the brush is much wider. So either they've changed their brush since I bought this guy, or it's a different brush for this treatment formula. So it's officially been 2 weeks, and this is what my nails currently look like. So I took some pictures throughout the week just to photograph the process and how they wore throughout the week. And so I'm showing you my nails with the nail polish on after 2 weeks to show you the wear of the polish. As you can see, the polish is still on completely, but I do have some chipping of the polish here, tip wear, and some tip wear on this nail as well, not much on my pinky finger. And then on my thumb, we have a little bit of nail polish gone around the sides and on the tip, but there's no nail peeling at all, which is exciting and surprising. Just nail polish coming off just a little bit, but compared to my other hand, you'll see quite a bit of difference. So this is Essie Penny Talk, and we applied this with a top coat. So this is just a normal Essie polish, not a treat polish or anything like that. And as you can see on this finger right here, there is quite a bit of tip wear. On the next finger, there is a big chunk of nail polish gone right here, and tip wear as well. And then on my next finger, we have nail polish gone from the nail bed, as well as the side. No nail peeling, but a lot has chipped off. And on my pinky, this one peeled right in half, so this nail polish is all gone, but no nail damage. And then finally on my thumb, we have the sides of the nail polish is gone, as well as the tip. And I don't know if you'll be able to see it or not, but we have a little bit of the nail breaking right here, as well as you can see the breakage happening right here on this nail. So comparing the two nail polishes, the Treat Love and Color nail polish on my left hand did much better this week than the Essie Penny Talk color. So without a base or top coat on my left hand, the wear is much better than without a base but a top coat on my right hand. So there is a visible difference in the two manicures and how they survived this week. So that's definitely a positive to the Treat Love and Color one, because it did much better without a top coat or base coat, and it also did better than just their normal nail polish. So I have now removed my nail polish, and we can take a look at what my nail beds actually look like now. So the claims are stronger nails in just 1 week, less peeling, and less breakage. I don't know about the stronger nails in 1 week, but I do think there was less peeling and less breakage while using this nail polish because it didn't chip as easy. There is a little breakage in the nail right here, so I do believe the less peeling and breakage claim is valid, and it did actually show. It also says it contains optically brightening pigments to instantly perfect, adding color and glow to nails. Color and glow, I don't really know what they mean by that. It's not like it's skin or anything, but I do think my nails are a little bit whiter compared to when I started using it. I do also think the nail is a lot smoother compared to my other hand, and there's definitely not as many breaks right near the tip of my nail. There's a little bit of a ridge right on here, but really I think my nails have been looking pretty good these last 2 weeks, and I never had yellowing before, so there really is no change in that. But I do think they look whiter, and the breakage around the tip of my nails or anything like that that is normal for me to have with using regular nail polish is not there, except for this little bit right here. or it was from a previous manicure, like I've said. So I actually think this nail polish has been helping my nails, and I think it has straightened them a bit as well. But for bendability purposes or anything like that, they are still pretty bendable. They're not as hard as they were one time. I really don't think there's much change in that. Maybe they're a little bit stronger, but not that noticeable. So my overall review is that it's good. I really like it. I like how you don't have to have a top coat to make it work. It's not a base coat, it's color. And it really didn't peel off at all like my normal polishes do, as you've seen. And they come in a variety of different colors, so there's lots to choose from. And the application was really nice and easy. This nail polish did not chip as fast as its Essie normal nail polish counterpart. And it stayed on all week. Take it off at the end of the week and reapply it again. And I believe my nails will get stronger over time. So I do see some changes, but just not as quick as they say it is. So yeah, I really like this nail polish, and I think it's worked really well, and I will continue using it. So I believe that's it. That is my review of the Essie Treat Love and Color nail polish treatment. I will link it down below for you guys to purchase if you would like to check it out or anything like that. And if you guys like this video, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe down below. I do nail polish videos every so often, but it's mostly makeup reviews and things like that. So thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!